Hello, this is Eggy Pal. Last time we practiced adding 6. Let's try again. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 5 plus 6 equals 11. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 plus 6 equals 13. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 9 plus 6 equals 15. Good work! Today, let's add 7. What is 1 plus 7? 7 equals 6 plus 1. Remember, look at the yellow 7. 1 plus 7 equals 1 plus 6 plus 1. Ready? Change the operations order. Next! Add these two first. 1 plus 7 equals 7 plus 1. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 2 plus 7? 7 equals 6 plus 1. Remember? Look at the yellow 7. 2 plus 7 equals 2 plus 6 plus 1. Ready? Change the operations order. Next. Add these two first. 2 plus 7 equals 8 plus 1. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 3 plus 7? 7 equals 6 plus 1. Remember. Look at the yellow 7. 3 plus 7 equals 3 plus 6 plus 1. Ready! Change the operations order. Next! Add these two first. 3 plus 7 equals 9 plus 1. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Wow, we made 10! 4 plus 7? 7 equals 6 plus 1. Remember. Look at the yellow 7. 4 plus 7 equals 4 plus 6 plus 1. Ready? Change the operations order. Next. Add these two first. 4 plus 7 equals 10 plus 1. 4 plus 7 equals 11. 4 plus 7 equals 11. We made 11. If it goes over 10, make 10 first. 5 plus 7? 7 equals 5 plus 2. Remember. Look at the yellow 7. 5 plus 7 equals 5 plus 5 plus 2. Ready? Change the operations order. Next. Add these two first. 5 plus 7 equals 10 plus 2. 5 plus 7 equals 12. 5 plus 7 equals 12. We made 12! 6 plus 7? 7 equals 4 plus 3. Remember. Look at the yellow 7. 6 plus 7 equals 6 plus 4 plus 3. Ready. Change the operations order. Next. Add these two first. 6 plus 7 equals 10 plus 3. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 6 plus 7 equals 13. We made 13. 7 plus 7? 7 equals 3 plus 4. Remember, look at the yellow 7. 7 plus 7 equals 7 plus 3 plus 4. Ready! Change the operations order. Next, add these two first. 7 plus 7 equals 10 plus 4. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 7 plus 7 equals 14. We made 14. 8 plus 7. 7 equals 2 plus 5. Remember, look at the yellow 7. 8 plus 7 equals 8 plus 2 plus 5. Ready! Change the operations order. Next, add these two first. 8 plus 7 equals 10 plus 5. 8 plus 7 equals 15. 8 plus 7 equals 15. We made 15. 9 plus 7. 7 equals 1 plus 6. Remember, look at the yellow 7. 9 plus 7 equals 9 plus 1 plus 6. Ready? Change the operations order. Next, add these two first. 9 plus 7 equals 10 plus 6. 9 plus 7 equals 16. 9 plus 7 equals 16. Now we had 16. These are two-digit numbers. When we add 7, we add 6 and one more. Or make 10 first. Next time, we will add 8. 8 equals 7 plus 1. 8 equals 6 plus 2. 8 equals 5 plus 3. 8 equals 4 plus 4. Remember, you did an amazing job today. See you next time. Bye-bye.